It's Halloween! It's snowing! And this is the toilet! I gotta go pee. Let me hold this up. Okay, flush it! And then the piece de resistance is I took apart a gift card that makes flushing noises and added it here. Alright, model it for us. Spin. Spin around. It was a very fun Halloween. It was quite the attention grabber. Oh, and the best part was he had this to put all his candy in. And not a single other kid peed in there. Alright, bye. Why don't you stand up? So this is the same idea as a lot of our other costumes. Cardboard box, duct tape. This one has a bowl screwed down to the support. And that is a duct tape hinge with a shower cap on top. Da-da-da! His flushing toilet costume from the